In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Talabat order history. If you're trying to remove past orders from your Talabat account, it's important to know up front that in most versions of the app, Talabat does not offer a direct way to delete individual orders from your order history. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you where to check for that option first, and then I'll explain the only available method if you want to remove your full order history. Start by opening the Talabat app on your phone. Once the app loads, go to your profile or settings section. The exact location can vary a little depending on your app version, but you're looking for the area where your account preferences and personal options are stored. After that, check carefully to see whether there's an option labeled delete order, hide order, or clear history. These are the kinds of settings that, if available, would let you manage past orders more directly. However, in most cases, you won't find any of these options in Talabat. That means individual order history usually cannot be deleted manually from within the app. If your goal is to remove all order history entirely, the only option currently available is to delete your Talabat account. Before doing that, keep in mind that deleting your account may also remove access to your saved addresses, account preferences, and other account-related data. So make sure that's really the action you want to take before continuing. If you've decided to proceed, open the Talabat app again and go to Settings. From there, select Account Info. This is where Talabat keeps the main account management controls. Next, tap Delete Account. Once you choose that option, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion. The app may ask you to verify your choice before completing the process, so read each prompt carefully to make sure you understand what will happen, and that's really the key thing to know here. Talabat generally does not support deleting specific orders from your history, and removing all order history usually requires deleting the entire account instead. If you're not seeing these menu options, try updating the app to the latest version, since settings can sometimes move around between updates. But if the feature still isn't there, that confirms that the app likely doesn't support order history deletion on your version. That's it for this tutorial. You now know how to check for order history options in Talabat and what to do if you want to remove your account history completely.